guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I know I've not posted in a long time, but I was away. I was at my other house in Virginia getting it ready, preparing it for rent, because we finally decided that we're not going to sell it, we're just going to rent it out. So I was there for 2 weeks trying to get everything together, and it was so much work. But while I was there, my console table or my sideboard cupboard showed up. Luckily, me and my neighbor were good friends, so I ended up having put it inside for me, and I was so happy because guess what? It is so heavy. So I'm so happy that he brought it inside for me, so I won't be struggling to put it inside. So it's here, and I'm about to put it together. I have some time today. It's Saturday. It's kind of gloomy outside, guys. It's about to rain, but I'm staying home today. Sounds like, you know what, let me put this console table together because my living room is empty. You don't want to see how my living room looks. I'm still putting stuff together. I recently purchased this decor from Ross, and I love it. It's just that I think I'm gonna do a DIY on it, change up the colors, because I don't know yet. We'll see, but I haven't hung it yet. But I do like the size. It's at 36 by 48, so I picked it up, and it wasn't expensive at all. It was like, I think, $50 for it. So I'm about to get this console table or the sideboard cabinet together. I picked it up from Amazon, if I didn't say that, and I'm about to get this put together by myself. It's so weird, guys, because most of the time when I have stuff put together at the hot house, it would normally be my husband doing it, but now I have to do it on my own. So it's gonna take me a few hours to get this together, but we will get it done. So let's go.
A four-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt. Tell yourself it's so absurd. Four-letter words. Four-letter words. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited.
Oh crap. Yeah, this broke. It's crazy. All right, let's see how easy this manual is. The last time I tried to do my dresser the opposite way, and it took me like 4 hours to put together. So I'm definitely going to go by the book. So let's see. I'm gonna time myself. It's 7 minutes after 1. So I'm gonna see what time I get finished. So let's go.
Yeah. I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy, thinking of you? I don't usually get like this.
So this is the piece that I took out of the box broken, and I really didn't want to return it because it's going to be too much. So what I did, I used my own wood glue I have from the Dollar Tree, and I just put it here, and I think it's working, hopefully. So yeah, that's what I did with this piece. But yeah, I am hoping it stays though, because it's kind of shaky, but I hope by the time I put the screw in, it should be good. But yeah, so this is how far I might, guys. It's a lot. I had took a break and had some lunch because I was starving, so I did that. And then these are the other pieces. Man, I hate to do these. These are what's holding me up. These screw ones. I don't like to use these. These are so hard to use. But yeah, I'm almost done. I'm 1 hour in, and again I took a break because I wanted something to eat. So yeah, this is how my living room looks so far. Everything is everywhere. So hopefully I could get this done in less than an hour. So let's start again. It's 30 steps, and I'm only at step 14. It's a lot, but I think I did the other part already. Everything now is just for me to do some assembling. So hopefully I could get this done within an hour. It is now 3:08, so I took 2 hours, but then I remember I did stop to eat, and then I also applied the glue to that piece because I wanted to kind of stick. So I'm at step 15 right now, and let's see how much is it. It is now 3:09, so let's see if I could finish by 4:09.
Damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down.
Right, it's time to turn it over. Oh Lord. Okay. I only have the doors left. Ah, man, this is so hard. Ah.
I'm always leaving, believe me, because you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. So one more shot, one more round. Take my hits pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't stop.
That is the final look. I don't know what I'm gonna do with right here. I might have to wait until my hubby comes because I don't like how it looks. So we'll see. It has a gap. I don't know if you're able to see. See, it has a gap in between. Man, it look okay, but I don't like how it has that spacing. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but this is it, guys. This is how it looks. I'm about to clean it up and just do some styling. You will see how I style this in my next video with my other living room decor. Hi guys, so it's a few days later after I assembled the sideboard, and guess what? I went ahead and I shortened the legs of the sideboard because I just didn't like how it looked when I sit in the sofa and looking at it and the TV. I'm gonna put up a picture here how it looks before I shorten the legs. So I went to Home Depot, and I bought I think this is a jigsaw. I think it's one of those saw with like the small blades, because I didn't want to buy the big one because I didn't want it to damage the wood material on the sideboard. So I bought this and I cut all 4 legs off, guys, or shortened. So the only problem is right now is that one is a little bit taller than the other, so I have to figure out which one is it. I'm pretty sure it's this one, so because it's uneven. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna measure and see where it is, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take these out and then put them back in this, but I have to drill some holes in there, so that's what I'm about to do. Alright guys, I did cut all the legs off, so now I am going to re-drill the holes so I could put these back in the bottom. So hopefully they work. I'm not even trying to find out if they're all even because I'm done. All right, guys, so I put all the feet back on. I don't know how this is gonna go because this is just, I'm tired. I'm done with it. So this is how it looks after I shorten the legs. So now let's see how it looks. I am currently working on my living room now, guys, so I'll be posting a video of my living room makeover. In that video, you'll definitely be seeing how I style this sideboard here. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I'd really love for you to subscribe, comment, and also like, and press the notification bell so whenever time I upload, you'll be notified. Thank you all so much for watching my channel. Bye, guys.